Nsem-Pii TV nie.
Nsem-Pii TV ena ugusua ohwe na breaking news na ababi toja concerning Ghana's first gentleman, His Excellency the President, the convoy kwenhyia bi asie ama ka bako na ebo no convoy no mu jese atitia pansamo say kura ohwe elia reporter dia bremo na jese asefem na awrehu nso yie on say collisions esisa na ya na maka no yetimi tum tina hu se car no ayesa in the earlier report bi kan the bremo na sia Nsem-Pii TV be the first to know sources ahodo ama deep information as to how this accident came to pass. For Ben and Moshe Chira and Mass Adi we see a den and a convoy I now a presidential motorcade anymore. Kai free to be bora convoy anymore. Now I target I can in particular a coco jina name Eman Quenche Ebabisi. Now we are getting information from the presidency as to how this whole thing came about. Now once again, nipa we free no you be man on the bush of food na yako here ni ma e momo yako so ja fo nso mo ka ho mo prepare to see information breaking I can say they've been moved from the Suhun Government Hospital in the University of Ghana medical department omo kwakotoa omo ayaresa ehwe ho. Now this is information in second say nipa ba ko pe na sisi atoa na no mo nsie do a we free mo na send pay kana se ni Mr. Kwesi Ata kofo ekeka se Kwesi Arthur enye Kwesi Arthur ni dia kasa de Kwesi Ata na we driver e wo Jubilee House ono na nyame ato ne nsa e dia frɛ no enam sa akwanhyia yi mu na sojafo miensa bi enso ka ho a no mote sa kai mu a no me abambofo no ka motokidi ho a omo sustain various degrees of injuries as he can kind no ko pie mu e wo University of Ghana medical hospital ewo hono no na Kia truck once again Kia truck na ekoko crosso convoy Kia truck na crosso convoy therefore nshan so say the same Kia truck no bi ko pake edisi Temampakada railway line wa bra na train for Ghana yakokra ba ne ye test run Kia truck ya na ko pake si hono mo no ya menkwa ka Ghana ya nti asende enei president convoy eba motokidi nenim eba motos be 7 dikan to sound an alarm to oncoming cars say bibi say na eba nti no bi anyina ba bi yi Nsem-Pii no cars ne mpota ejirigina say de be ya mampanyin betimi atwam na bibi ayansomdwi na so Kia truck yi motokidi ba be wantie Land Cruiser ahodo na edi animu nso ba be no so wantie ono crosso speeding convoys because the convoys they are always traveling at a high speed because of time and kofa sankonhyia yi ede ebaye na obi nim de ntia odi say dwumadie ya odi na no kwasem a woman say Nana Addo dankwa Akufo-Addo was not in the convoy tino mo hyehyɛ say nke bia they were thinking say bia na president or convoy the president was not in the convoy. Over the weekend and at the late MP for Joso Yura John Amponchia Kuma pair baby Emma ko die no ndim say bia Canada go for at the convoy and a besine e dia concran so in convoy mu no Nsem-Pii TV can confirm to you that the president was in Ghana Armed Forces Special Aircraft. Yes, Ghana Armed Forces Special Aircraft. I know a helicopter a idea that's so a Mi-17 a Russian aircraft, I know a utility aircraft assigned used for transport. Numu and the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, Etinemua pa or to the free commercial Edikukusi and Kramemua or making the way into the seat of governance, that is the Jubilee House. It is our convoy, not president on camel. He made his way out of Kumasi through special military aircraft Mi-170 air Russia helicopter. And Nsem-Pii TV be the first to know the mamono. Now in other developments, the president issue krata and the Ababonti is say another who follows any year pass BBC etimiesi nipa etimi ahwe ne kran kwa na hwe V8 car no se de esia ye pa na etifo asefem kakra na krata na go for the betu dwa no eno so make certain revelations bia e pese kan ema etifo etimi hu. Now this is what the statement read, signed by Eugene Ahen, our Director of Communications at the Office of the President, or say on Sunday 19th May 2024 several vehicles belonging to the President's convoy were involved in a fatal accident along the Bunsu Achen Asafo stretch of the Accra Kumasi Highway. One will name Accra Kumasi Highway Bunsu. Come here, I said, in Hope, or my eco park be crowd on my way nice by hope and I can't drive a cross and go for the convoy. And the statement reads said the unfortunate incident occurred whilst the convoy was on its way back from Kumasi after accompanying the president for a series of events this weekend. Tragically, one of the drivers, Mr. Kosiata, lost his life. Additionally, several close protection and police officers from the president's security detail have sustained varying degrees of injuries and received initial treatment at the Suhum Government Hospital. The injured persons are currently being evacuated to the University of Ghana Medical Center for further treatment and observation. Several vehicles in the convoy have also been completely wrecked as a result of the accident. Fortunately, the president is saved and unharmed as he traveled to Accra via military aircraft. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family of the deceased, and we wish a speedy recovery to the injured officers. Further details will be communicated as we continue to assess the situation. We appreciate your understanding and support during this difficult time. And this heartfelt message about the amount Mr. Kosiata and therefore in the bush for some so muy infusion Sakia rhino tracky on my soon said the Doko Paki sea trade council soon the processing before court within 24 hours. Didn't go 2 months. When so the baby film and the Kudian or tea sounding alarms from motorcade, the convoy him, or tea horns and who don't still now, dear. Was who dibri baba, echo cross ye, or this uncle, Shakesi, Ababeto, Ghana man. The M. Shiba, his son say, news in the can by a number of Busasa. A president Timubiana, I don't go for Timubiana, my Rebecca, president Kamubiana, but we also and the Yamiase, say the president's security detail, Emiki Shaw, say via military aircraft. He was airlifted to Jubilee House to more mobile pies and go for the free mono. Say your Mahama, the autumn class and another the time or so, and Jawako. If it's 70 years and go upon the money Biana, another the house in bomb pies over the young koi. A man is waxing strong and stronger. It is Nsem-Pii winning Sama a day Abramo. And saying children will be Omianko, Yakunguti, live from Bunsu, near my Ekosu.
Person is reported dead after President Akufo-Addo's convoy was involved in a tragic accident at Bunsu Junction in the eastern region. The convoy was reportedly was crushed by a Kia Rhino truck, resulting in a collision that claimed the life of one individual and left others seriously injured. So on the screen is one of the vehicles believed to be part of the president's convoy, totally rammed up in that very unfortunate accident that has left one person dead. Our sources within the presidency say that His Excellency the President was not in the convoy at the time of the accident, but this has been confirmed by officials from the office of the president that the convoy involved in an accident was returning and was crossed by a Kia Rhino. One person is dead, and those are the specific details we have about this incoming news from the office of the president.
What if say ahemfuno omo ye adanko dada and I say we share postures of nkofo mo kasa a comment to Dr. Baumia ahemfuno nyina na utim say they meant business because normal ya no omo de omo dignity no bibia to lines so omo de omo bibia to lines say indeed share ade aye penny and we are certain about it. For me those comments it was very striking, but Semeuku Eka Assembly. Or say, yes, that is how do we know? Or say, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia will win the 2024 election with strategy the NDC will never understand inti ebi ena doctor demonstrate no the humility and before obeko northern region Endrechi omiti clergy Endra was what Thursday Endra no omiti clergy wo Savannah no hwe oye the presentation we no omo akwan mo bisa questions na obi bisa question say na wo ye Muslim say na o identify who ni Christians ni nkofo who live well with us but you see suban na wo mu enye true Muslim suban odru obe answer question or fair no bisa question to Islamic teachings religion bia ni ho a ekire say yemfa ye hu other faith and tenacity say Islam na oka komsheni asem sallallahu alaihi wasallam ekire say komsheni na nkasa na ekire Muslims for say money a Christopher entenase yen komsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ofri Makkah ako Medina na ni existence nyina no oko ho no na Muslims na mo ho na bebre na emfa Christians entena ye oko no oko sisansa ade no nti enye true that say true Muslims and relating well to other faiths nti I was glad say he mentioned that yesterday life ama ahemfuna nkasa your friend say clergy no ehun say ampa ne oka na enokre for me Dr. Bawumia are redefining politics in Ghana and or the energy be abba yen politics more I think subsequent generation I will say ye na yesua na ye share the politics ya over the years now Dr. Bawumia has changed the narrative say yemfa patapa and throw any ade emfa politics humility a service until I was say u bring once na u provide the basic needs of the people na eno all around eno preach intina nkofa so ni campaign no year like echo year
okay me that say amsia
kwemada wo asemba ko bika
me na kasala na me na so say Mothers FM 102.7 so wo Facebook nti Facebook address no email no obo Mothers FM 102.7 na betima nya me Facebook sisi a na abo MTV on Facebook so a and also obetumi enyame mama ga
ana
me ba ohona me pese be kotu ohini bi asem se mentimi anka ni nyina akra director oko bono. One of the chiefs we know to be a very critical of this particular
government.
Yes. I love the man. Ono de obehu bia no. So tenana konwa so ohene a obeka. Nti ono no so bia ye se odo anka bia no kure de bia ye de beto. Nti nipa bebrehu ni se ese ompe party na se. But nano ensem bi okan no me nima say if people will go back and revise their notes and kebeboa o kasafa owuraba omia hono ka kire nse obro ho ase ubuade onimiansa na o kasa asoso eye papa to a sense or refer say meti wache unka kasa twitwie entia obi ujina unsema okanyina no nimdie ni nyansa egum sansemi ya ohini ya kamu menkase majority of the MPP who say ono de oye NDC ni ekafa Owuraba Omia ho hu ni say maame
honom na mi sure ya na mi amika umtim say afa because nana
afa
because nana do mahini ni pa
okay
osai judge ewo now mi ho voter intimi ni pa inti okay no ka say amanfo si oye humble no ka no mani nyina wie no si ene de watie no but ene no ono ankase hu say owa hu brasie ampa to the extent so I request kra say running mate na yefa bi mfiri ne ho na che say nyame adoma ono ankasa kra beto amaba omia that is me kasa we ya my friend fa no amfa because of share they be no obi one thing I've realized is say the odo no and they criticize you inti they be me share na yet me share Nana, oh, munjai, now we make a certain comment.
Be the first to know Nsem-Pii TV.